Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Ipsy Plus. I think it's my Ipsy Plus because I got a bag and I've been getting boxes, but let's get in here and check it out. Ipsy Plus is the middle bag of the 3-bag Ipsy trifecta. They have the regular Glam bag, which is $12, this, which is $25, and the ultimate, which is $50. The beauty of the Ipsy Plus bag now is they give us 3 choices. They pick 2 products for us, and then for the remaining 3 products, they give us choices. They give us 4 or 5 products and let us choose between them what we want in our bag. What I did this month, and I'm hoping that all of the information on my products is in this bag, but what I did bring up is I screen capped the choices that they gave me. I wanted to give you guys an idea of what I was choosing and what I could have chosen. This month, spoiler alert, this month rocked. So let's get in here. So I just slid it right out of my big bag and everything is actually in my bag this month, which is interesting because I think I have add-ons in here too, but this is the new bag that they have gone to for the Plus, and it will match the other 2 bags from the regular Ipsy and the Ultimate, but they've made it so that it's always a pull bag. There are mixed feelings. I am willing to admit here, I love it. I think that it is such a cool bag. I mean, my entire bag is in here. These hold so much. I'm gonna go ahead and slide everything out because I already know what I chose and what we got, and I wanna work my way to the card and set aside my add-ons. Okay, starting right with the card, we have Your Magic, and that is what the card looks like for October. I'm telling you, there is so much purple going on these days. Everything looks so good with my room. Oops, just realized I just finished another unboxing. Let me get that off of here. And on the inside, oh no, foisted by my own hubris of thinking they would tell me what the products are. Okay, we're gonna wing this a little. So I will be letting you know down here what the prices are because I didn't print out the information because I just knew I could trust them. Darn it. Okay, moving forward from my disappointment and my loss of trust with them, let me show you what they picked for me and what I picked, because even without a piece of paper, this was a fantastic bag this month. So many people have been saying, oh, the choices are great, and I have just not been finding that on my end. I've had so many repeats, but I am here to tell you this month I have nothing that even resembles a repeat in front of me. I had fantastic choices. Okay, let's start with the first 2 things. So you get 5 products in your Plus. They pick the first 2 for you. So when you sign on the 2nd of the month, they tell you what they've picked for you, the 2 things, and then they show you choices that you can make within categories. So the 2 things they picked for me, we'll start with this, is the Lovecraft Beauty Eyeshadow Palette. And that is what that looks like. I'm never, ever, ever gonna be mad when somebody picks an eyeshadow palette for me. So when I open it up, it looks just like the regular box, and it's purples. It's purples. They picked a purple palette for me. I mean, I was just talking about our month of purples, and that is what it looks like. Isn't it just gorgeous? I really hope that that's coming across. This looks a little blue, so I'm hoping that when I edit, you can see that it's purple, but these are so pretty. I was just getting ready to say, let me tell you a little bit about it. Yeah, I can't. I have nothing to tell you. I could sing a song instead. No, stay with the points. Let's see if there's anything on the back of the box I can share with the group. It says, possess the fundamental shades needed from the minimal to the dramatic with the Basic Rituals palette. Multi-purpose eyeshadows including highly pigmented neutrals, plus layering options of metallics, soft satin mattes, and shimmer highlighting shades. I don't know why I feel so dramatic today. You know, we've been doing the spoilers and that always gets my head spinning out of control. These eyeshadow staples are must-haves to transform your day-to-night looks or any makeup kit. And it is mica and then talc. Those are the first 2 ingredients. I say that because I know a lot of people try not to use talc. I'm just gonna get right in here into the purple, and that pretty, oh, the gold feels fantastic. Oh yeah, I'll be using that a lot. And let's get into this light purple down below. That's the dark purple, the light purple, and the shiny gold. I'll show you those. Oh wow, purple? This one, did I do that right? I had to look and be sure I swatched the right one. The purple that is this darker purple, it looks black. It is so dark. I mean, it looks black on. Wow, that is so, oh, it's like a duochrome. When the light hits it just right, it has a little purple to it. I'm gonna do that, hoping that it will come across. But those colors are, this middle champagne color, I love that. I use colors like that so often right in here to brighten up whatever darkness I've done on the outside. So I will reach for that, I am sure. You know what? I just did another video and I have a brush sitting right here. Let's see when you apply that dark purple with a brush, how it applies. I'm gonna do it on the inside of my thumb because that's still a little wet. Let's see if it looks purple or black. All right, it still looks like a charcoaly black color to me with just a hint of purple to it. So that is very interesting. Okay, enough time spent on that palette. So this was one of the choices that they made for me, and it is the Lovecraft Beauty eyeshadow palette. I like the bee. All right, the other product that they chose for me was the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. I have never tried this, and it is in translucent because I am indeed translucent. We have Tarte Shape Tape. Look at the top of that in that purple camo. Purple again. I wish purple was like a lottery number that you could play. Everything's purple. That is what it looks like. When we open it up, it has a cute little puff. Oh, and once we get the sticker off of it, it is one of the ones with the mesh inside. Let me put the puffy over here and I will show you guys. That is what that looks like. Let's just use the little puppy because he's so cute and see how it does. So it picks up, it's very nice. It picks up just a little bit. I'll go ahead and do my chin. My chin could always use a pat down. It's a good color, although it's translucent. I told you, I'm translucent. It's good. Whenever I powder though, I do keep like my dewy mist, dewy mist? Yeah, dewy, set, dewy. My Anastasia Beverly Hills dewy, what's the next word, guys? Help me out. Anyway, I keep a setting mist because I need to moisturize. So I powder to take down the shine and to set, mostly to set. And then I put a little bit of mist on it just to give it a little fluff. Anyway, I was getting ready to say, let me read to you about this again, but again, with the no paperwork. I'm letting you know the price here though. Let me tell you that the back of the box says absorbs oil and mattifies, blurs, bakes, and sets. I do not bake. I think you get to an age, and there are gonna be people who disagree with me, feel free. I think you get to an age where baking isn't necessarily a good thing because it kind of settles. I'm probably doing it wrong. I could be completely wrong. Please don't come at me. Formulated with vitamin C for brightening. Well, we'll see just how much vitamin C, won't we? I have never had to look at a powder to see if it had vitamin C in it. Vitamin C tends to irritate my sensitive skin, but we'll hope that just a powder laying on top does not have that same effect. And the first ingredient, for those of you who care, and I know a lot of you do, the first ingredient is talc, and it is made in the USA. Okay, those were the two products that they chose for me. I then got to go in and choose 3 for myself. The first category choice that I had 5 products in it. I could have had a House Lippy, that's the one from Lady Gaga, a Misco Beauty nail polish set. They were kind of basic colors and I have a lot of nail polishes, so I took a pass on that. The Calisay Better Bean Clean Face Coffee Scrub, and you guys have seen me open some coffee scrubs lately. The Yensa Tone Up Essential Glow Primer, that sounded pretty good. And the Laura Sanchez Moods Palette. So I had 6 choices in that category, not 5, because I went with the Filorga Laboratories Youth Performance Oxygen Glow for Eyes. After I chose this, I saw our girl Jess over at Everything Proof Beauty talk about this brand, and she said that they were not cruelty-free. I did not know that when I made the choice, but I'm still gonna go ahead and try it. And this is made in France. Let's get in here. I know we get so many eye creams, but when I read about this, it sounded really good, so I thought I would give it a try. So I take it out of the box. This is what it looks like. It's just a little tube of eye cream. Let me tell you what the box says about it. Filorga, or however you say that with a French accent that I'm sure sounds far prettier than what I am saying. Filorga, the first French aesthetic medicine laboratory, has drawn on its expertise to develop revolutionary cosmetic skincare designed to reduce the visible signs of aging, formulated with NCEF, a unique complex encapsulating hyaluronic acid and 50 pro-youth ingredients, vitamins, amino acids, minerals, coenzymes, and antioxidants. It just sounded really good to me. Let's put a little on the back of my hand, and this is half a fluid ounce, which is what a lot of the eye creams are. All right, it has a slightly cream, slightly pink color. It's easy to get just a little bit out. Oh, it has a very light scent, but it's very posh. Slightly floral. I like it. It's really, it feels heavy duty. It feels like it's actually doing something there. But oh yeah, but it's absorbing super quick. See, there was just, when I went to the site and I read all about this, I was like, you know, I would think I'd really like to try that. Yeah, it has completely absorbed. I mean, it's completely absorbed. I hope that I come back in my next video looking 20 around my eyes. Okay, in my second category choice, I had the Dr. Lips Lip Tint 3-pack, the Skin and Lab B Plus Calming Cream, the Violet Voss Lip Gloss, or the Kung Fu Apothecary Gua Sha Tool. Yes, I chose another Gua Sha Tool. But wait, it's different. Let me show you. How does this get out of here? I want to show you. How do oh, it lifts. All right. It's a really pretty presentation. It's a nice firm box. It's black obsidian, as I recall. Oh, it's gorgeous. When I did my video, which I will put up soon, I promise, we've just got to get through spoilers. I talked about, I like the bigger ones because they're easier to hold comfortably in your hands as opposed to trying to with a little one. This is fantastic, and I didn't have any that had these ridges. That is what it looks like. Let me tell you what the box says, since that's what we have. Welcome to the world of balanced beauty. I am thrilled you have added our signature heart-shaped gua sha to your skincare regimen, inspired by traditional Chinese practices. I hope you will find that the meditative nature of the gua sha facial ritual will not only lift, sculpt, and plump your face, but also that it will treat below the surface, activating qi, releasing stress, and detoxifying your skin at the cellular level. And the back says that this is heart-shaped with jagged edges. Just for the record, they are very soft edges. They're not, I mean, I'm sure they just mean like teeth, but it's very soft. And it is obsidian. And I did not have one that looked like this, so I had to choose it. Okay, my last choice category, I had a half-caked double feature lip duo, and it was kind of a nude lippy with a gloss, a Trestique brow pencil, the Araceli Beauty gel pencil eyeliners, and it was a duo that came with a sharpener, or, and I will probably always choose if there is this or, a Thrive Cosmetics, and this is the highlighting stick in Aurora. I have never, ever been disappointed with Thrive Cosmetics. I actually think I have one of these. It's in a more champagne color, and this one is more of a pinky nude color. And I just love Thrive. Yeah, this is so pretty. Actually, it does go on kind of champagne. It's still a very different color to the one I have. Let's see how it's just, and I use them mostly, I use them right here, right in the inner corners of my eyes. I love them for that. And I am just a huge fan of Thrive Cosmetics. They do the absolute best mascara out there. Yeah, I'm willing to throw down with that. The Lash Extensions Mascara. This says, shine bright with long-lasting rose gold shimmer powered by ring light technology. So it is rose gold. Yeah, it's just hard to see with all this lighting. It diffuses light and defines features, instantly highlights and brightens to open the eyes. Apply to the brow bone, lids, waterline, and corners of the eyes. And it says there's a sharpener. I love it that they've started putting sharpeners right into the bottom of these. So that was my Ipsy Plus for October 2020, and it was fantastic. All of my choices in all of my categories were new to me, except in my first category, I had the Howes Lippy, and that is the Lady Gaga, and it was a different color, but I have had that product from Ipsy before, but this was a different color. And just for the record, I like that lippy. I just really wanted to try the eye cream. And then, because I was so happy with how choosing the box had gone, I picked up just a couple of small add-ons. I wanted to try the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrator, and this is just a little $3 sample, and actually, it looks a little dark for me. Oh, it's sealed. Isn't that cute? It's such a little and it's sealed. Okay then, we'll use this. Oh no, it's not too dark. Yay, I was afraid of, oh no, it's perfect. It's gonna be perfect for my skin. I'm just all about the foundations these days. Oh, that feels fantastic. That feels so good. Yeah, I am definitely trying this on my face. Not much of a scent at all. So I got that for $3 because this is a great way to try foundations. Yeah, that feels fantastic. I also chose, because I got this last month and I got it in, I think, passion fruit, and I really liked it. So this month I picked up cinnamon orange. And that is what that looks like. It actually came in my box, I think, last month. This I just did as an add-on. Also sealed. I mean, cinnamon orange, does that not just sound fantastic? And look how thick it is. It is so thick. Oh, that smells so good. You expect a cinnamon orange to be like heavier on the cinnamon and a little bit of orange. This almost goes the other way. There's plenty of cinnamon in there to warm it up, but the orange is incredible. Yeah, I'm gonna have to see if that comes way bigger. That smells so good. Oh my goodness. And one more thing in add-ons, and you might guess I was apparently having a dry skin day. I got the Pistache Skincare Pistachio Oil Pistachio Body Butter. It is a hydrating body butter. How cute is that? And you know, the more moisturizers, the better. This is made in California. It doesn't even brag about being made in the USA, made in California. So let's open this one up and put it on this hand and we'll see what this one smells like. I'm just gonna squeeze that and take a little, it's a thick one too. I mean, that's some powerful body butter. Oh my goodness. Guys, I wish each and every one of you could smell this. That smells incredible. Wow. Depending on how well this stays on throughout the day, as I wash my hands and reapply, I'm getting this huge. That smells incredible. It smells kind of like pistachio, like it was mixed with a sugar cookie, a little bit of nutmeg in it maybe. It's, wow. And it has already absorbed. Oh wow. This might be a new favorite. This one feels fantastic, also smells delicious, but it does lay on top a little bit. I like these for like right before you're going to bed at night, so you get a nice thick coating on there. This one just absorbs so well. So that is what I did in my Ipsy Plus. For my 3 add-ons, I did this little pistache body butter. Is this La Chatelaine? I didn't even tell you guys that, did I? Yes, La Chatelaine Cinnamon Orange Hand Cream, so good. The Tarte Maracuja Foundation. Then they chose for me the Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder and the Basic Rituals Eyeshadow Palette. And then I chose for me the Filorga, which I'm sure sounds so much better when you say it with a French accent, eye cream, and the Thrive Eye Brightener, and the nice Gua Sha from Kung Fu Apothecary. Let me know below. How did choice go for you this month? Did you have good luck with it too? I really hope you did. I felt like they really, really did so much better this month. I hope that that means going forward that it's just going to continue to get better and to rock it out. I have hope. Now, if we could only get them to be consistent with the paperwork. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over and hang out with me. Let me know below what you thought of the month. Did it work for you? Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you guys really, really soon. Take care out there, guys.